Oh, slam door. I'm not sure why, but this phone seems to take a while to pick up before the sound starts recording. HST, stair short. Nice. Slam door. Just slam door too, by the way, viewers. Oh! 43189, and I believe these are the pair I saw I think I saw these at Plymouth the other week. Well, the other month actually. Oh! 152.65! Yep. 152.65 and 152.47. Hello. Hello there. Hello, hello, hello. Is that two middle window units? No, it isn't. Just one. Still better. This is even better. Can't stop taking photos of this beauty. It's just amazing. Yeah, it might take a bit of time to get used to this pose. It might see lots of mistakes, like slow motion by accident, and like not very good quality. But I'll try my best to try and make it the same as it used to be. Yeah, those might take a while due to obviously this is a temporary phone, not a permanent phone. Oh. We've got one of them right here. Right here. Even in the old machines, they're still reliable. You know what? Is that trumpet slam door? I believe it is. Old versus new! Easy. Yeah, beef. 800, 303. These HSTs is now this long, and now they shortened them. This is an old versus new. Old versus new. We've got old versus new. What's going to be best? I think the old machines are better than new ones these days, aren't they? Oh. That's even knock. We just had old versus new then. IEC and HSC crossover. Yeah. I want to show my viewers the slam door. Oh. 158768. I don't know what service it is. It's a Great Western Railway service to Barnstable. Right? We've got old versus new here. Oh, 150, 247 and 152.65 Great Western Railway service to Exeter. Also, it's a baby seagull. Oh, I missed the photo button. See how you said needs to get to this phone? Wow, you smell bad. Oh, but this is that. That's what I feel for these HSTs. Oh, I'm gonna hold it because this is a really odd phone. Lovely bright HST. Now this IT is. This HST is bright. Oh, slam door! There goes slam door. Oh, slam door HST. They all used to be slam doors, but they had to get replaced by Pacers, 150s, 158s, etc. Nice. So see. Well, is it okay if I have a go at doing the slam door, please?
Pardon me?
Is it okay if I have a go at doing the slam doors, please?
Yeah, mind your fingers.
Yeah.
Don't hold the handle, because it'll flick up.
Yeah. Nice.
Break your finger.
Yeah. Oh, slam door. Now I see. Oh, slam door. Yep. Oh, 158 and 159. What's that 158? There's a 158, sorry. Oh, I see. Not interested in this though, more interested in this. We got old versus new here.
Pardon?
Got old versus new.
Yeah. I'm getting on this.
Lucky. Lucky you guys in HST.
Devon D range ticket.
Yeah.
850. We can go across the whole of Devon for free. Not all free.
You lucky thing. Anyway.
You see the 950 then?
Yeah, we're both going back there, Rio. You're both going back there.
Are you seeing the 950?
No, I've got to go when this HST departs. I've got to go and get going straight away.
950 later.
Oh. We'll have to have a look and see if I can come over. I'll go right back to get this new versus old.
I don't see both.
Okay, now departing is an IEC. I'm not sure who it is though. So I'm guessing we'll see who it is when she departs.
This is my first time coming to Exeter to do this.
Ain't my first time coming, but it's my first time seeing HST here. The IEC's going.
Yeah.
Not interested in that? Or are you? Oh, he's not recording. Right, shortly departing will be, you shouldn't be past this sign. You shouldn't be past it. Look. I don't know the number. Oh, it's a double. 802022 802007. And soon 175s will be coming in and they'll be going.
But, the 175's here now.
Yeah, but soon they'll be coming into service and those will be going. Any idea where 15219 is today then?
15219?
Yeah.
I don't know, but I saw it go to class. I saw it go through class of clearing, as in FTW colours.
Oh, it's in Great Western Railway now.
Yeah, I know. It goes 238.
But, wait, she's back in service now?
238. Well, no, it's in Wolf.
Wow, so it hasn't quite been repainted yet then?
No, it probably has been, but they're putting a new engine in it.
Why? Does it keep failing?
No, it's to make it's to make them last longer.
15219 didn't receive that, did she?
Yeah, it is.
Did it?
Yeah.
But all the others haven't yet.
Not yet. After this one, we need to get going.
I know. Okay, now arriving is 158-760. Great Western Railway service to Paynton. Let's see if I can have. Oh! 158 and 159 couple. One 884 158 159 017. South Western Railway, which are now Great British Railway now. So they've been nationalised, but they haven't put the nationalised thing on yet. Meaning that I'm going to call them South Western Railway until they get nationalised properly. Great British Railways service to there. She'll be off very soon, shouldn't you?
Sorry?
She'll be off very soon, shouldn't you?
Yep. So just check this first point away.
Is it okay if I have a look inside quickly, please?
Right, sir. That's fine.
You heard that right.
Please do remain behind the other line until the train is completely stopped.
It's okay if I have to look inside very quickly.
We're literally just about to go, fella.
Okay. Yeah, I've seen a lot. Yeah, all the slam doors had to get withdrawn, didn't they? Because something bad, there's something like poison or something poured in them, didn't they? I mean, all the slam door units had to get withdrawn, didn't they? And all the bases came in, and then all the 150s on by base and that came in, and they got all what we've got today, haven't we? There's still something in it. 220011. Well, cross country service to Edinburgh. Alright?
Hello, mate.
Yeah, is it okay if I have a look inside the cab quickly?
I can't do that. I'm not one of the guards here. He's a guard on here. Okay, if you ask him.
Yeah. Is it okay if I have a look in the cab, please?
Yeah, just be super quick because we're already late.
Yeah. And is it okay if I give the horn a little toot, please? It's okay if I go in the cabin now.
If you're gonna go, mate, we really need to go.
Sorry. Oh, HSC departing. I can race it out. Don't worry about me. Sorry about that now. Four 3186 and 43189 on Great Western Railway service to Penzance. Thank you. See how forgetful I am. So you go see this Voyager depart then?
I'm getting on it.
Oh, I'm going to go to the other end, see it depart, and then I'll have to get going myself. And this here is it's departing any minute now. Yeah. I'll keep the camera rolling though, just in case. It says please keep left, but meh. Yeah. That's not good, is it?
I need to know which way
They've
I'm
had to
going.
go to the bus stop. Wait! That's a good bus!
Tyler, I am going to be late.
You won't be, I promise me.
Yes, we will.
You won't be. Well, this is a very good bus fee. I've never seen this bus in service until now. I believe this bus's first day in service. Oh, first day of this one being in service. SF62CNE, her first day in service. Updated, we've got you livery as well, look. Oh, this bus's first day in service. Alright? Is it okay if I have a look inside, please?
Yes, go on,
Yeah, it's the first day of this bus being in service,
It
isn't
is,
it?
yeah, down here, yeah.
Pretty quickly, Tyler.
Yeah. Oh, first day of this bus being in service. And the stage looks we've got you livery. Oh. Is it okay if I press the bell, please?
What's that, buddy?
Is it okay if I press the bell?
Yeah, go on. Yeah, press the bell.
Yeah. Is it okay?
It doesn't hold.
Yeah, is it okay if I have a look in the cab, please?
Yeah, sure, but come from Scotland, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I honk the horn as well, please?
I'll do the whole for you. So, there.
There we go. Yeah. Can I have a concession ticket, please, to collect it?
Yeah, I'll see if I can find you one.
It'd be nice to get a ticket off a bus that is its first day in service. I believe I saw this one in Matford as well.
Yeah.
It might be the other one in the We've Got You livery that I saw.
No.
27814. Nice. Yeah. Oh. 27814. I remember to get a photo much better. Oh. What? What? This is a We've Got You lined up. This is your station, We've Got You lined up. Oh. This is literally, their new livery is this one. The very dark one, and there's two of them. There's not many painted in that livery either. Oh, GRZ 337. We've got homes. Oh! South Western Railway railway replacement. We must get that. Basically, we've got new livery buses here. That was 24151 and 27814. In order to, right, it looks like in order to get there, we need to actually do a bit of train spotting.
Well, we've got to wait a minute. Come over.
He's changed the gate up. Oh, we can't go through this way, it's locked up. We have to go through the road. That's right, there's a double 150.
Don't go through the car. Don't go through front the car.
Is it, it's right.
Try that, go.
150 202. And 150 233. Sorry. I'll tell you what, I'll go over here. 150 233 and 150 202. And up they go. Nice! Non-stop here, literally. Looks like one of these IECs might be off in a minute. Both facing the same way, which is a bit odd. Right, anyway, I've got to get going. First, let's see what's in the Exeter depot. 150. Oh, 158's in the depot. Poor train. There's a good train that's in the depot. There's a decent train that's in the depot. Yeah. Right? Who even is that? 150 244. Having a nice clean. 150 244 is having a nice wash. Oh, decent train over there. I knew some people would depart soon. There's a train departing. Is that the 150's having a nice little wash? Um, 150 244's disappeared out the depot. Oh, just my ecstasy, David's. Oh my. Oh God. Quite a nice day with this new phone. It's quite old actually compared to my phone, which was newer. It's one of the newest iPhones out. And now I've moved all the way back to the oldest phones out now, pretty much. Well, the oldest anyway. And it's fine, the zoom's not great on it. Yeah, it's actually it's on 50 244. I think I might have seen a cross-country Voyager just go over there. Anyway, see if we can see it again. Probably not though. Nope, it's far gone. But we're just about gone now. In that building. Nope, it's definitely gone. Aww. I think this line is part of Exeter St David's. That's what I think. I know. Nope, you're not legendary. You are, in actual fact, you're like that. Nice. Hello, hello, hello. What's this I see? Decent. Not a van, meh. Not the van, but what's in front of it is something very, very interesting, I must admit. Oh, nice. one day I'll get used to it though.
Yeah, it took me a while.
Yeah. Why? Decent. Nope, not what I thought it was. Right, as you can tell, there's an upstairs solo down there. I'm not sure who it is though. I swear I did not time that. I can't track them. I seriously can't. Viewers. Wave. Anyway, I might as well just see if there's a bit of Minecraft on in there. I might just stand here and just do a bit of spotting, you know. Helicopter. Sounds like, yeah, police.
Transport.
It's, yeah, police or the air ambulance, one of the two.
Yeah.
Looks like the air police to me.
We'll let him like that.
How many birds are there? There's a good million of them. Oh! 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 Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Yeah. Oh, it does not sound great. Oops, can you? Ooh. Okay, that is 36228 W680X. And the F1. Oh, 47954 YJ15 AEE.
Yeah, okay, bud. No worries.
4229 YJ15 ABN. But I couldn't, did we? Pigeons!
Huh?
PlayStation 4 DBU 48180 C6231 W11 BXW. Oh, not sure. At least he's had a bit of an engine repair though. Better not be an H1. Don't go for a YJ56 ATO 47597 with B2 Westminster. We'll see to back the park and ride is 24142 WA59 FWX. For Route 8 crossover. No rave. Miserable driver though. 37440 SN16 ORX. Roy. Oh no, he's slightly miserable. Crossover. Green. No, it's not very sensible. 37440, 37443. Oh. 36240, WA11 CGO. Why is it raining all of a sudden?
Thank you.
Hiya, can I have 2 single tracks, please?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how's my 9279 to drive then? Is she alright?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I've not driven it for a while. It was very slow last time though.
And that's Manchester as well, this one is.
It is, yeah.
There you are.
Hopefully it behaves itself for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, sandals, please. Thank you.
There's another bus ticket there.
I know. Oh, 36705 is now in service. Hey, they've got most buses in service now.
That's good then.
Yeah, that one had an accident fairly recent.
Which one?
That one there had an accident
This
where it
one?
tipped over.
Oh yeah.
Then they managed to get it in the end.
I see.
Yeah, they managed to get it sorted. Well, that's the bus we saw earlier. That's St David's. That's just the other one we saw.
Oh, yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine. Very slowly. Very cool. That's great.
Oh, aircon's on this bus.
Turn up, move over, please.
Yep.
Thank you.
It's had aircon on.
Well, it'd probably be either under all of those pile of documents on your right hand side of the desk. What about on the documents that are like the what's it called? The little hole things above it.